Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a review of the C-Idea CM8500 Plus tablets. Okay, so guys, this is the tablets I'm talking about. In fact, I did the unboxing some months ago. Alright guys, so this is the tablets I want to talk about. Yes, so that you decide whether you want to spend your money on it. Guys, this is the tablet. Let's get into it. Guys, this tablet is just 10 inches. It's 10 inches. So this is the size. This is the size. Guys, in this video I will make it very short. I'm just looking at just four key areas. Just four key areas about this tablet, and you decide for yourself if you want to go ahead and purchase this tablet. All right, now guys, the first thing I want to talk about is the size and how it looks like. Let's all look at it, guys. We can see that the body is, the tablet is not big, it's not bulky, it's quite sleek. The size is quite small for a normal tablet. All right, it has these three two cameras and then the flashlight. So this is the body. It has two speakers here, as you can see. Two speakers here, guys. Let's not forget, let me talk about something. When you are buying this tablet, you will be warned to first of all insert a SIM card before switching this tablet on. If you don't insert a SIM card, you're going to have network issues. This tablet has somewhere you can insert your SIM card, normal SIM card. I don't know if I can show you here. All right guys, so you can insert your SIM card here, but the first thing you have to do is that when you buy this tablet, before you switch it on for the first time, you have to insert your SIM card before you can switch it on, so that you will not face any network issues. That's the first thing that you have to know. In fact, this tablet, the storage as advertised and as found in it is 512 gigabytes. The storage is 512 gigabytes. But guys, I have to show you something. That 512 is huge, but the system consumes a lot of storage. So the pre-installed apps already consumes about 318 gigabytes. So you are basically left with 184 gigabytes of storage to install your applications and then download videos, pictures, music, and other things. So guys, you need to know that. Don't let the 512 gigabytes fool you in buying it, because after buying it you realize that 512 is quite minimal, it's very small, and you cannot use it for your work. So guys, let's move on onto the battery. Yes, it is advertised that it has 10,000 mAh battery, but guys, I've used this tablet. I gave it to my nephew. We have used it, and guys, the real battery capacity, I can tell you, is not up to 5,000 mAh, because my 5,000 mAh phone lasts longer than this tablet. In fact, my phone can last more than a day, but this tablet cannot last for a day, unless of course you just charge it and put it down. Maybe if you receive a call, then you answer it. But let's say you are using it to play music, games, or watch some videos, guys, in fact, the maximum hours that you can get is just six hours. Even that, 3 to 4 hours, I'm sure. Yes. So the battery, it is advertised that it's 10,000, but guys, that's, I don't know what to say, fake, but that is not really the case. All right, guys. Then let's move on to the processor. The processor, because definitely maybe you might be thinking that, oh, I'm buying this tablet so that I'll be using to play certain games, since the tablet is big, 10 inches, everything. So you might think that you're using it to play a game. The screen is quite good for gaming, but the processor is a MediaTek um, processor, and it's not that strong. It's not that strong. It cannot handle any bigger game. It cannot handle any. It's a 10 inches tablet, so you can get it if you are in Nigeria or Ghana. You can get it on Jumia. It's not expensive. What do you expect from 1,000 Ghana cedis? So you can just get it for your daughter or son, and they will use it. So I actually see it as tablet for kids. Don't expect too much from this tablet. Don't expect too much. Guys, if you like this video, kindly follow for more. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Ike. Bye bye.